In this video, I'm going to show you the very basics of creating posts and pages. Now, if this seems self-explanatory, it sort of is, but I'm going to show you a couple of useful tricks which might save you a lot of pain later. So let's go ahead and create a post. You'll notice I'm doing this as an admin, which I just told you not to do. I'll say my wonderful post and some content here. We're going to go ahead and publish this post, and I'll show it to you on the front end. And I'll show you exactly why this is bad, and then I'll show you how to fix it. We've posted this, and we've got some content here. And if we go in here, we can actually see the author which should be secret. I can open this up and see all posts by secret admin, but it's too late at this point because I'm a bad guy, and I now know that I can try logging in as secret admin, and if I try enough times, I might get in. So we want to avoid that. What you can do is click on the Post menu to list all of your posts. This is like going to all posts. And then doing a quick edit on that post. This will show you an author field where you can choose another author. In this case, my unprivileged Dave Cohen user who doesn't have admin powers. I'll update this, and you can see if we just view this post, we no longer see that privileged user here. We see that the author has been changed. So that's just a quick trick for changing page authorship. Now we're going to create pages. I'm going to go ahead and delete the sample page that is here. You can move this to a trash and then empty that trash later. We're just going to add a new page, and we'll call it About. This will be About Dave's Widget Co. What is it with the big O's? I don't know why I'm always hitting shift on those O's. All right, we're going to go ahead and publish this, and then we'll create an empty page, which we'll use to move the blog to. This will become important later. So we'll just say blog. You could call this news or anything else. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is there's no content here, and we're going to go ahead and just hit publish for now. Now you can see under our pages, we've got an About page and an empty blog page. If you'd like, you can give authorship here, but it's less important because usually most themes will have pages set up so that the author actually isn't displayed there, so that only blog posts have an author. The last thing I'm going to show you here is comments. If a user leaves a comment, and I believe you start with a sample comment, there's a couple actions you can do. When a comment is approved, you can unapprove it. By default, they won't be approved, and you'll have to manually approve each comment. You can reply to a comment, edit it to remove spam links or whatever, mark it as spam, which will move it into a spam directory, or simply throw it into the trash. These are pretty much the basics with posts, pages, and comments. You now know the most important thing, which is how to change ownership when you invariably screw up and create a post or page with the admin user. In the next video, we're going to look at menus, creating them, managing them, adding and removing items. That'll be a quick one. So I'll see you in that next lesson.